Hi friends, this is Vijay and welcome to my YouTube channel Forex Surfers for analyzing the currency pairs as well as commodities. So before we get into this analysis using Elliott wave theory, this is my disclaimer. Read carefully each and every line and understood what I'm explaining here, and I'm not responsible for any losses if you do the trade according to my trade plans explaining here. So let's move on to our watch list. So starts from DXY and end with gold. And last week I didn't done my weekly analysis, and I already informed that I am in busy schedule in other business. So I'm starting a new business also. So I'm keep on informing that when I will do the weekly analysis uh, without fail. I don't know, and in coming weeks also I can't promise you I will make a video for you regularly weekly. Okay, so it could be around 1 week absent also. So uh, keep watching to for the continuous my video for that next 15 days analysis also. So anyway, we are just focusing on that positional views only, even though I can't able to make a video in between, maybe. So if it is fine, I found a time, I will make a video. Otherwise I will do only the next week. So thank you for your support, and I think it will took nearly to 2 months to set right for my the other business. So it will took time nearly another 4 months also to get back into this analysis like YouTube, so social media. So I'm not so active coming 6 months. Okay, so what is the next view for the DXY? So as per my view, we are in the fourth wave. So whether the fourth wave is already completed in a simple correction or it is doing a complex corrections, we can't know. But even though our predictions on the our positional view is it has to reach nearly 112, right? So every three-way structures, if it is got completed, we need to be in buy side, and I already informed that the counter trend trade I won't like. And here also there is a lot of chances in the FOMC meeting minutes. There is a chances for doing like this also, and I already informed my some of the Telegram groups and Facebook pages also in the groups. So there is a chances. So if it comes like this, also there is a chances for making a another complex corrections. Oh, sorry, yeah, complex correction pattern to reach this zone also. There is a chances at that time. So how I look this is 1 2 3 1 2 3, and later onwards this is a 1 2 3, and this is looking like a five-way structure. So what I thought this could be the correction means there is a chances. There is a chances. I already written in perfectly. We have to wait for that to validate our view. But there is a see, after once the market is doing like this, then we can change our view. It is not stick to the previous this kind of, so this is the not the valid one, so Elliott wave won't work. It's not like that. You have to look all the possibilities. So now how we are looking this view, it's simple. This is the triangle. Now a, so A B C D E, and this is the one C. So it's already completed in the three-way structure. Now it is making a five-way or it is making a three-way structures, can't say. So that means this could be the 1 2. See, in the 1 hour chart I will explain that. So this portion is completed, right? So one three-way structure is got completed means whether the bullish structure is already started or we are in the complex corrections, we can't find. So here also I thought this is the A, this is the B, this is the C, and I'm expecting this one. So that is got now invalid. So whether this is the 1 2 3 4 5, I'm expecting from here also for this. I book the profits in all AU, NU, EU, GU. I shorted here in that Euro USD in GBP USD. So I'm expecting for this and then this. But it failed to make this. But expecting this, I'm not in sell side. I booked the profit what I bought here. So that means that you have to think in the inverted. So I shorted here. I booked the profit here because I'm expecting this one. So expecting this, I'm not in sell side and I book only the 50%. So if it comes like this, I will again short, making this as a stop loss for the both the positions, and I'm looking for this one. And it's already reached here. What I did, I booked the profit here itself, and again it came down. So I'm not in the losing side, I'm booking the profit keep in the certain intervals. So you have to trade like this only. Expecting this, you no need to be in buy side. The trend is in down. So always you need to look for that opportunity to sell. I did here, right? And expecting the in FOMC like this. So expecting this, I'm not in buy side. So if it is reached here, I will again sell this pair. So that means this is the A, this is the B and C. So this is the intermediate. B is the complex correction, and A, B and C. So I'm looking for this one. So anyway, my target is going to below 99. So whether it is going now or it will took some more time. Yeah, it will took some more time also, or it can reach here itself. So what kind of pattern is that? See, there is a lot of possibilities. We have to think, always keep on. It's look like a chess game. I informed several times. Don't need to stick to each and every pattern or every wave count what you did. Look always for the positional trend. So now in this case, this is the end of the three-way structure, right? So how we have to, see, a lot of people are asking how we have to calculate this, how we have to wave count. So previous, this was A, B and C, and we can make it this as a ABC as a W. This is the X, this is the A, this is the triangle, is the B and C. But anyway, the three-way structure is got completed, and I already informed this kind of pattern is already occurred in the gold. So these all the patterns will confuse you, but you no need to confuse. If you are looking for all the possibilities, you won't confuse. You have a trade plan. So even though if it is from here also, I'm expecting to this, I'm not in buy side. I've booked only the 50%. Every inform, they know what I'm doing. I keep informing in that in my friends' WhatsApp groups, and I booked all the profit here itself because I thought this is the one, this is the two, this could be the three, could be the three. Look the word what I'm using, and this could be the one, sorry, four, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Once it got completed here, and exit my position. I'm not going to book all the profits here. Here is the 50%, another 50% it's got completed, and I'm very free. I will sleep well. So if it goes like this, what you will do? Nothing. We can't do anything. We can't take all the pips from the market. We already took nearly 250 pips. What else you need? So you have to be a perfect trader. And I already created one poll that if you are in Telegram. Huge, high risk, huge profit. Otherwise, less, what I said, it's a low risk and less profit. So what the people will choose? I created one poll. So the result is 50-50 only. Nearly 350 members, only 35% of that, sorry, nearly 35 members has created, as voted. So nearly 10%. So it's a 50-50. But the real answer is, that is not the, that is a gambling. What I created the poll, it's for gambler, not for the good trader. If you are a good trader and one of the person has answered me, the rest of them, it's not failed, they didn't understand. who are you and how you are trading. So the perfect trader looks for less risk, low risk, and huge profit. That is the risk reward ratio of 1:1, 1:2, 1:3, like that. That is why I created every chart. It will be there. Trade only if it is 1:2. Trade setup risk is 1%, reward is 2%. So this is the low risk, huge profit. So you have to be mindset with the trader mindset, not a gambler mindset. What I ask is for the gambler, but the people didn't understand. So you need to very cautious in this market, financial market. So let's move on to the Gbp USD. Okay, I will finish this one. Sorry. So here, how I'm going to look this pair. So what will be the next? See, it's looking like I'm not sure about this, but the trend is in downside. We are looking to sell again. So 1 second, I will just clear this chart. Yeah, from here what I thought is somewhat 1 2 3 4 5 or 1 2 3 4 5. So somewhat here it has to end 1 2 3 4 5, but it's keep extending. So maybe I am looking this pair, maybe a triangle. See, every in the Elliott waves, as per that theory, this A, B, C means it's a zigzag, right? And again, if this is a flat correction, it has to retrace about 61.8 or 78.6, maybe the 99% also. It could be a double top, and again there may be a 5-way structure. This is the flat correction. If it is a double zigzag, again we need a only 38.2 and again one more 5-way structure. So that is a double zigzag here, like this. But what kind of correction it is doing? See, what we are, as per that theory. So how we have to make this? See, if this is the wave 1, this is the wave 2, this is the wave 3, wave 4 and wave 5, it could be. Lot of times now the wave 1 and wave 5 is not equal, because I show in that gold, this one here, 1 2 3 4 5. It is almost right from here, the third wave. Look at this. So nowadays it's creating like this kind of waves. So be careful, and maybe could be like this also market, the previous fourth wave, and it may come like this in 5-way structure, then 1 2 3 4 5. After this is the 1, this is the 2, this could be the 3 4 and 5 also. So if it is doing like this, that is a one possibility. From here also, if it did like this and it is not yet, or it could be break the previous low, and again if it bounced like this, definitely this could be a triangle in the fourth wave. Or if it breaks, there is a 2 chances. What is that? One is irregular flat for a running flat, or it could be a running triangle. So I'm looking like this kind of pattern. So one possibility is to making the 5-way structure to break below this complete 5-way structure, nearly 9 8, and then there will be a 3-way structure for that bigger 4, because this double bracketed 4 is still ahead. So that means we are still in the downtrend. Nearly my target is 0.96. So here I'm looking for that triangle or irregular flat, or it could be a running triangle, or it could be the end of the completion of the third wave. So these are all the possibilities, but the target is in the downtrend. So what you have to do, again enter here looking for this is not wise. So here we have to look for this opportunity, and we have to make this as a stop loss if it breaks this. Or sometimes what it will do, if it didn't break this low, it will just go above this high, trigger all the stop loss and it will come down. And it will break this one trend line, and all the trend line traders are like that kind of traders. If it is retested, it will go like this, and every people will buy here, making this as a stop loss, looking for that bullish, and market will do like this. This already did in the positional view. Just go through the positional view. Just I may keep on explaining that previous, right? Here, one second. Yeah, the here, if you draw this trend line, right, what happened here? Look at this, look at this, look at this, and it retested right here. What happened? It came down. So these are all that what some people call it's a fake breakout, but for us it's not a fake breakout. It's if it breaks high only, then only we have to consider. But it didn't break the high, and what happened? Lot of people right from here, it will go like this also. Lot of people expected, but what I said, just go through all my videos, see. And some quotes I had read right this morning also. One of my friends sent keep on that good morning messages. It's very very beautiful messages and inspiring me every day. Just I read this quote: focus on your growth, not for your to prove to others, not to prove you for the others. It's waste of time. My ambition is to create an awareness in the education in this way. That is why I'm doing, keep on doing. If it comes in the September, it's nearly almost 3 years. I'm making videos nearly 4 or 5 times in this 3 years. I didn't done that my weekly videos. I did lot of videos awareness to create an awareness free educational series. So I did. From my side, I did lot, and I put a lot of efforts to build an educational to create an awareness. That is my ambition, and I did. So this is the one view I got, and in Gbp Usd the same thing. In the 4 hour, I'm looking for that triangle. Here also I expected here, and this could be the what I said. This could be the correction, and there is a chances. That is why I have updated my charts, and it's failed here. So now this is the one 3-way structure. There is another 3-way structure. Now I'm looking for the another 3-way structure for making a triangle, but it could be some other pattern also. What I said, it can break, or it can do the 5-way structure also to complete the here. But what is our positional view? Downtrend. So no need to be in buy side. Always every 3-day structures we need to sell this pair for the target below 1.14. So let's move on to Australian dollar. Here, look at this. There is a chances. I informed that. What it did? It's looking like now 5-way structure. It's looking like 5-way structure. This is the wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. It's looked like that, but it's not. But after the 3-way structure, nearly 50% or 61.8% or 78.6, I'm expecting this one. So either it could be a bearish trend started from here, or again it will be a 3-way structure making the triangle in the EU GU. So it could be in AU also, same structure. I'm expecting only the bearish trend. So whether this could be that A is got completed, or this is the A, B, C is 1 and beyond that second wave. So if this is the triangle, then this could be the B also, because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this could be the B and C to the downside to break this low. So then this is the 1 2 3 4 5 way structures, and this could be the triangle. Once the triangle it's got completed here like this, I'm expecting this one. This could be the triangle, or it could be that running flat, or it could be a running triangle. But I'm looking only to the downtrend to break this low. The same view in New Zealand. Same view. Whether this is the A and beyond that C wave, or it is going to make a, this is the one A and beyond making the B wave as a triangle, and one more down. But the positional target is below this one. So now whether we are in the B wave, or it could be maybe another complex correction, or this is the one A and this is the one B and beyond the C wave, but trend is in downtrend, we need to be in sell side every 3 wave structures after the completion of the 3 wave structures. So let's move on to the USD Cad. That's a very beautiful, but if you understand the correction part. And I just posted one created one screenshot in one of the forum, and I already informed that I'm looking for that this kind of structure, same structure it happened. So now we are looking for this, and again one more. I just created a I think I posted in the Telegram channel also. So this is the one I'm looking for, the bigger correction I'm expecting. So just hide this. Look at this, the factors. So this is the one it's completed. So now I'm looking for this, and again this one may or may not, but I'm looking for the correction for the target nearly 1.2560 or 1.26. So anyway, I'm looking for this zone again to retest and accumulate, and again from here it can go back for the target of 1.4 or 1.38. So that is my target. So these are all, whether it is somewhat making a bigger target, or again this is a correction of W, this is the one X, A, B, C. So this is my target is again 1.36 to 1.38 only. After this only, whether it is going to break this one, or it is going to be a WXY correction. W, this is a 1X, and Y means it could reach up to 1.05 also. But this is the one A, B, C. So this is the one A. So this is the one B, means beyond that C way to break above this 1.62. 1.62. So there is a chances. But one more possibility is in the bearish. So if this is the one W, this is the end of the X, means A, B, C, it will reach above this one. Or this is the one A, B and C, means this, that is also the possibility. But the bigger trend is yet to make. Whether it is going to break now, or again is the W, this is the X, we are in the connecting wave, and then A, B, C, that we can't predict now. So next is USD JPY. Here, look at this. I already shorted here, that you know, and I already booked the profit here, and I didn't done anything. I just keep on watching this. This is the one I'm expected previous. This is the one W, this is the X, A, so B and C. But what it did, now the X is extended, that's it. But this is the end of the correction, means may or may not, because this is the one is the 3-way structure, again the 3-way structure, again there is the 3-way structure. So this could be the double zigzag also, this could be the end of the trend also. So I'm expecting this. So here it looks like 3-way structure, right? So here a little bit confused. It's looking like a 5-way structure. That is why I thought this is the one A, this is the one B, I'm looking for the C way. But what happened, it's already broken this. So what I did here is I bought here and booked here itself. I think here I exited 135.8. I exited my position. Looking for, this is the one A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this could be the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this could be the ABC is a A, ABC is a B, and this could be the C wave. This is the end of the correction, and I'm looking for this. So that is why I exited my position here. So now it's creating. So we have to observe this for that completion of this X, or this is the end. So we need to observe this according to the gold. So 1 second, I will just put on this in the pass. Right, 1 second, I need an urgent call. 1 second, the pass is, so sorry for that. So it's one of the student called me. So what will be the time for that classes? So I need to inform them. So that is why once it got its break this high, I exited my positions regarding this kind of, if it is a 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. So this is the A, this is the B, and C also. So now I expecting this one. So whether it may or may not, I don't know, because my positions here for the intermediate wave is got completed. I'm looking for the only the three-way structure. So somewhat, if this is the five-way structure, right? If this is a five-way structure, we can expect one more down also like this, and this could be the correction part, and one more high is also the possible to break the high, and then this could be that irregular flat formation, and again we may get like this also. So in the bigger picture, so the fourth wave could be very, very complex correction also. So now the next is USD Chef. Here the last week I explained, right, whether this could be the five-way structure. Once again, I will just clear because I didn't done clear the chart. So one second. Yeah, now, so what kind of, this one is already completed, this portion, right? So we need to delete this one. So now this is the one what I said, from here also it can do like this. So this could be the five-way structure. So I'm expecting one three-way structure. After that, this is the one I expected, but that is also got invalid. So now what will we have to do? Now this is looking like the flat correction, and the C is in which formation? Here it's like this. So this is the one A. So we can mark it this as a blue color, right? This is the one B, and this is the one 1 2 3 4 and 5. So this is the A, B, C is the A. So now I'm looking for the A, B, C is the B for the flat correction to complete, and later onwards I'm expecting the C wave. So whether it is going like this, or there is a one more chances. So if you are expecting this, if you are in buy side, you need to book at least 50%, make a trial stop loss, because there is a chances for making this kind of wave formation also. But it looks like a little bit bullish here. So if you look in that bigger picture, what I had the positional picture, it's a weekly analysis. Here what we are did here is either this could be the triangle also I'm expected, right, or it could be a flat correction also. So in that, according to that, this is the A, this is the B, this is the C. So this could be the D, or it could again it can come to the downside also, and one more E, and it won't break this high. That could be possible for the triangle, and it can come to the downside also. So that is a one possibility. Or what it will do is, this is the somewhat the WX, right? So we are expecting for the Y wave. So Y wave could be also a WXY pattern also. In that case, if this is the W, this is the X, this is the Y, means again this is the bigger W. Inside this could be the W, and this could be the X, and again we may see like one more three-way structure to reach 1.07 also. Here So W, X, A, B and C. So this is very, very difficult to trade. There's a lot of possibilities in this pattern. So once the three-way structure is got completed, we need to be in buy side. It's already there. But making this stop loss, that is the most important one. If it again comes in the three-way structure, making this as a stop loss, you need to be in buy side for the target nearly 9.8. That is the most yeah, that's a good profit also. One ratio, risk reward ratio, if it could be a 1:2 and 1:3 also if it comes like this. But if you are expecting this, if you are getting inside the trade now itself, that is not advisable from my side, because I want to trade like that. We need to look something here that to believe your analysis. We needed somewhat like a grip we needed to take the trade. So I think we finished up to the major currency pairs. Yeah, one is New Zealand. It's very I already explained, right? It's a very complicated pair to trade. Up to this we can predict. After this, whether this is the one three-way structure or from here it is in the making at the completion of that correction here and we are in the downtrend, it's very tough to predict now. And I already explained that euro is also a weaker currency, New Zealand is also weaker currency, so how it will move, it's unpredictable. But the target is remains same, 5.2 or 1.5. But this is soon. But what kind of pattern? We need to know that. We need to see the pattern here. Then only we need to enter. So if I have explained several times, right? It could be an expanded triangle, or from here it can again go back for this, and this could be the running triangle. Sorry, it's a running flat also. So A, this could be the B also, and C. So anyway, I'm looking for this zone 1.5. Here I'm not understand. The same thing in oil also I didn't understand, but now I get a little bit clear picture, so I will explain that also. So what else next is US30 or Bitcoin, right? Okay, we will move on to Bitcoin. It's simple to analyze, simple to explain everything, but whether we made a profit or not, because I'm not trading this one, I just analyzed, right? It's forming the wedge formation. Once it breaks this wedge, definitely it will reach here. Exactly it did. Bounce. So if you recommend for the buy, no, I won't recommend buy. There is a sell opportunity, we have to sell, book the profit, exit. Don't trade this. So what it will do, if you are again keep on selling here, it will break this one and again it will do like this. Didn't know whether this is the 1A, this is the B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or whether this is the 1, this is the 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is the 1, 2, so this is the 3, this is the 4, and this is the 5, and this is the one three-way structure. So this could be the connecting wave. Another five-way structure can happen like this. So if it comes near, making this as a stop loss, if you buy for looking this, your stop may hit also, because this is the end of the correction means. So how we have to trade this one? Don't trade. There is an opportunity, you have to use that. If you didn't know anything, just don't trade. Expecting this one, if you are making this as a stop loss, if you are looking for the risk reward is 1:2, but this is a possibility is very less. What is the trend here? Downtrend. 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. everything it is making a three-way structure. So the W, X, Y is got completed. So this is again W. This is the one X. So whether we didn't know whether this is the A, this is the B and C, or whether this is the in that Y way also it is making a W, this is the X, this is the A, this is the B, and whether this is the C also. So whether that could be like this also. So even though there is a lot of opportunity like this, I won't trade here. This is a beautiful trade setup. This one is beautiful. Here if you took this trade, it's nearly 1:2 risk reward. But now that's already completed. Now we have to watch for that another trade setup, whether it is a buy or sell. So now we move on to US30. Yeah, here. Same I have explained the same previous in the positional views, whether this is the one WXY is already completed and beyond another three-way structure. So here also what we expected for the 33 300 and it's 33 500, it's already did. Now it is already broken the previous this trend line, but in S&P 500 it is not yet. Look at this. I keep on watching everything we have to do. So here it's already broken and again it came down. In Nifty also, in here it's already broken, it came down. Here in Singapore Nifty, look at this, and I keep on watching this formation of wedge. Beautiful trade, right? So now what I'm looking for here, this one. If it is a five-way structure, again the three-way structure, again there will be this one. So next what will be there? We have to watch. So here it's looking like 1 2 3 4 5. So this is the one, A or B or 1 or 2. So 1 2 3 4 and 5 is got completed. So whether we didn't know this is the A B C or 1 2 3 is got completed, and beyond the 4 means at least we can expect this as a target for the 17,200. Like that in US30 also, this could be again a three-way structure. It's looking like that, but here also 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5. Somewhat we can do, it can be again extended also, A B or 1 2. So this could be the third, and we can expect for the fourth. So just check whether this is the 1618. Yeah, 1618. So at least we can expect 38.2 retracement for the third. So again there is a fourth wave here, and if you extend this, exactly the support zone. So we have to wait for this to complete. Here in that shorter time frame, the 4 hours, it's looking like the three-way structure. So again three-way structure or five-way structure like this. Again I'm expecting this one to break everything. But if it is a five-way structure, if this is a A B C, what else? This could be the connecting wave. Again we can expect the target, this zone also, mind this. Then this could be the W, this is the X, A B C. So this wavelength here, exactly it may reach here. Once again I will just delete this. If you measure, one second, yeah, if we measure this, and if this is the end of that correction part, 786 previous support zone. So we can expect the 28,500 or 29,500 like that. This is the zone I'm expecting. If this is the connecting wave, or this is the end of the fourth, and we can expect one more up also. So expecting this, no need to be in sell side. But if you have a promisable trade setup, you can do. but this is the one, means it will do like this also. After this, this is the one A, this is the one B, and C, D, E, and it can be a triangle also. This could be the complex correction. It won't immediately, it won't come here. It can be like this, how it did in that 5-way structures like WXY. If this is the W, this is the X, A, B, C, and it will took all that the retailers in the buy section. After that, it will come to the downside also, and from here also it can do like this. So these are all the possibilities we have to think always. So what is next? Copper. Here I explain well whether this one second, in the 4-hour chart, 1, 2. So this is the 1, 2, 3. I'm looking for the 4th wave, and this could be the 5th wave, means this is the bigger one, this is the bigger 2, bigger 3, and one more 4th wave here, and one more 5th wave to complete this as a 5-way structure. That is possible. And if this is the ABC, ABC is the B, and if this is the C wave, this could be the W. So again we can expect this 3-way structure to reach this zone. After that, this is the W, this is the X, and again one more 3-way structures I'm expecting. So either if it breaks this low only, it's still bearish. But if it didn't break this and it is keep growing here, and if it reached this zone, what I'm expecting, the WX, this could be the connecting wave. Again one more 3-way structure is below, because Australian dollar and New Zealand dollar, I'm looking for that to break that 0.54 and 0.5 in the New Zealand. Then copper will suffer a lot in the bearish, and this is the one I'm looking for, the target, this zone. This is the zone I'm looking for. So wait for this. It could be again connecting wave, one more 3-way structures, or from here it can make a 5-way structures. So up to this, the 3-way structure, and it bounced. So we have to look for this. We have to look always. Copper is very complex corrections pattern. Here it forms a lot of complex corrections patterns. So if you look for this in that intermediate wave 1 or 4 hour, it's very tough to do the wave count. So here if we see, this is the 1, this is the 2, maybe this is the 3, this is the 4, this is the 5. It looks like that for me. Here it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or this is the 1. So this could be the 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 also. So anyway, this could be the A, B, C, or W. This is the X. So this is the A, this is the B, and C also. That is why copper can do lot of patterns in the correction patterns. In the corrections, lot of patterns. The corrections. If this is the B and one more C, it can do like this also. So then this is the W, this is the X, A, B, C. And from here again we can expect another 3-way structure. So let's move on to the next is silver, and we have to we have to make a US oil. See, US oil, it's looking like previous I did as A, B, and I'm looking for that C. From here I'm expecting that 3-way structures to reach 112, and again one more wave, but it failed, right? So now what is our view means, previous I thought it's looking like a confusion, but now I got a one clear pattern. I will show you the example also. See, this is looking like A, B, and C. So this is could be a W. Here we can do it, and this could be the X. So this could be the 5-way structure is the A. So this one is simple one is B because of that zigzag correction. Look at this 38.2. It's valid for the zigzag, and this is in the formation of the wedge formation in the C wave. This is the C wave. How? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This happened in silver, the bigger picture. Just have a look here. These are all the patterns you have to look, all the waves. Look at this. Here, one impulsive wave. Later onwards, correction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the W. Why? So this is the A. This is the B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The same thing in US oil. It could be. So if you have to remember the previous patterns occurred lot of pairs. So whether this could be the A, B and C also, in that if you correlate to that, you can, what I expected in you can just go through that, expecting this, and I show you that previous daily like this. So if it happened like this in UCAD, is it going to the downside? Oil will be the bullish. I informed in my one of my friends group, right? So if it is in that, again we can expect for 113 to 116. So WXY, again one more connecting wave, or this is the end and it can reach up to 150. No idea, no idea, because in my bigger picture, what I kept this as A. So this is the W. In this, the 5-way structure, one second, yeah, in this 5-way structure, this is the A, so this is the B and C. So A, so this is the W, X, A, B, C, Y. So after this is the A, this is the B, means C, I'm looking to the downtrend, again one more 0. But it won't be possible, I think so. There is no news, or it may or may not. So if we are looking for the 0, everybody will, it's looking like the full analysis. I don't know. As per this theory, there is a chances. But if we kept this as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the 5-way structures got completed. Again A, B, C. What else? Again one more to the downside. So whether this is a W, X, A, B, C means I'm not so sure about this to keep this as a W. This is not looking like it's a, see, it's a very, very aggressive movement to the downside. So either if this, we make it this as a B, C, A, B, C, or it could be W. If this is the X, this is the A, this is the B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 means here I have X point. So here the part is little bit confused for me. So you forget about this. What we have to do here? This is not, definitely this is not looking like a 5-way structure, and this is the 1 to 3-way structure. So whether if it is in that formation of the 3-way structure connecting wave, again one more 3-way structure is also possible. So if we correlated the USD Cad, what we are thinking, the DXY we are looking for 112, then USD Cad, it won't go to the downside, it will be a bullish. All the USD pairs, Australian dollar, USD, Euro USD, GBP USD, New Zealand dollar, everything we are looking for the downside to get the target. So I don't know whether the oil is going to 150 to 160. So this could be the end of the trend also here, the correction, and we are looking for that bigger correction, like somewhat here, like this, somewhat here. So maybe a correction, and again one more to the downside is possible for the target of 60 in mind. So here I'm expecting the connecting wave and one more A, B, and C to the downside for that 60 as my target. That is why I'm looking. So now what is that for the next 1 month? I'm expecting this as a connecting wave. That is the only thing, my conclusion. So let's move on to the silver. Silver, it's looking like here it's already did ABC. So this is also, I'm looking, making this as a W. So I'm looking for the X wave. So X wave may reach to 22 to 25. This could be. So how I'm looking that gold to the 1890. The same kind, if gold reaches the 1890, silver will automatically reach this of 22 to 25 zone. So then this is the one A, B, C, or this could be the one, and after that this could be the second way of C, third, fourth, and fifth, or this could be the W, this could be the X, A, B, C. So anyway, I'm looking for the downtrend in silver, but after the pullback, the correction got need to complete. So in every time, if you're looking for that the month of Diwali, like in Indians will buy more gold for that time, and this is the one, the wedding seasons, and the demand will automatically increases. So always at the time, say always, most probable the chances what I'm explaining here, it's nearly the October month market will boom, and after that November and December to January market will always coming to the downside. So after that, the festival seasons like that, the Diwali and wedding seasons, if that creates the demand, not only for that India, I'm talking about that, it won't accept only for that, but is the lost consumption. India is the most consumption for the gold. So at that time, if it is the gold also, if it is goes high for the 1890 for my target, automatically for the 2 months I am targeting for the 2 months, it won't be a very simple correction also. In that, here it's looking like 1 2 3 4 5, the wedge formation also. So this is the one A, B, and C also, but here it's more than, yes. So I'm not sure about this is a 1 2 3 4 5. So whether this is a B, C is A, B, C is a B, 1 2 3. So again, maybe one more three-way structure I'm expecting, and one more down. So after this, this could be the wedge formation. How in the Bitcoin it happened, like that. This could be that 1 2 3 4 5. After this is the A, B, C, one three-way structure. We can expect another three-way structure like this, or if this is the end of the correction, this can shoot up to the 1840, or sometimes if it is a most complex corrections means it will break this high going for about this levels, and again it may fail for that correction as a running flat, and again it can down, sorry, again it can rise. So what I'm expecting here, the correction part. So whether once the three-way structure is got completed, we need to be in buy side, making this as a stop loss, strict stop loss. It's looking like here the five-way structure. So 1 2 3 4 and 5. So once the three-way structures and that it gold accepts 61.8 lot of times. So if it reached again that 1720 or 1710 here, we need to be in buy side, making this as a stop loss for that bigger target. We don't know whether it's making a complex question or not, but sometimes why I'm making this as a stop loss means sometimes what it will do after this ABC is a B, it will trigger all the stop loss, and it will do like this also. So then this is the A, this is the B and C. So this will be the connecting wave, right? And it will come to the downside like here. We are expecting this market won't do like here. So mind this, there is a lot of chances and possibilities and beyond the correction part. So trade carefully. So hope you enjoy, and I think I cover all the things. Yeah, I covered everything. So happy weekend, and you just don't expect all weeks my analysis from here. I think 1 or 2 months it will be a tight schedule for me, and I will definitely, if I found a time, I will definitely upload the video for you. So thanks a lot and have a nice weekend to everybody. Bye, see you.